welcome back to the ZMM channel. So today we're going to be doing an experiment. Mentos and Diet Coke. Wait, what's the
And you have an assistant, what's his name?
Isaiah.
Hold it on top, hold it to the top. So this is gonna be a what? A rocket or a rocket? If it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit, it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit, you don't want it to hit.
Hey guys, welcome back to the ZMM channel. So today we're going to be trying Diet Coke.
Make sure you don't drop them in the Coke. We are here at my nieces, with my nieces. So they got special guests here in their channel.
Oh my gosh! It touched it. It touched it.
Hold on.
Shake it off.
Hold on, let that guy go by.
Shake it off.
Hope they enjoy it.
Daddy, go.
Didn't work.
It didn't work. You got one. Oh!